must do this only under adult supervision. Today we are going to do battery operated fan. The things we need is 9-volt battery, a motor, some wires, fan, switch, scissors. Nine-volt battery minus plus. Take adult's help. And then you just cut the wire a bit and then you round it around the plus. And then like this. Like this. Voila! On, off. And then you just backside of the switch board, you just plug in the wires. Like that. And then I don't know. And this wire goes to motor like this. You may use adult's help right now if you're doing it or not. Don't take care. Attach proper with motor shaft. Propeller, whatever. That's called. Now can I on it?
Oh, so you have to make it.
I'm so excited. Are you excited? I don't know. Let's just take a clip to secure it better. Clip, 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 clip. Yes, found one. Yes, there's only one more, two more, two more clips left if you need also. Can I do this one? I don't know how to do it.
Inside the
So is it working? And then do the same thing to the other side. Now fix the fan.
Let's try.
Cool. If you like this video, smash that like button and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. So cool.